Hey everybody, this is Ryan Harris with Purdue Extension in Spencer County, and today we are going to do an egg geode experiment. So what we'll be needing for this experiment are some eggs, and you guys are welcome to make as many egg geodes as you would like. I have 3 right there, so that's how many I will be making. We'll need some glue, we'll need some epsom salt, which will actually form the geodes inside of the eggs. And then also, this is optional, but I have an egg dyeing kit right there to the right, so we can make our eggs different colors. Our first step for this experiment will be to crack our eggs and then get them completely empty. So I cracked them just very lightly at the narrow end of the eggs, and then I saved the yolks and the whites for later, and I have them in the bowl there to the left. And then after you get the yolks out, you'll need to run them under some warm water and then very gently peel the egg membranes out. And that's easily done with some warm water. And then the next step will be to dye the eggs. Or if you don't want to dye the eggs, the next step will be to put the glue on the inside of the eggs and then sprinkle just a little bit of Epsom salt all over the insides of the eggs. So I'll go ahead and dye the eggs, and we'll be right back. Alright, I have the eggs here cracked and dyed, and they are sitting on the paper towel to dry a little bit. The next step that we're going to be doing is putting some glue on the inside of the eggshell, and then sprinkling some Epsom salt inside of the egg, just to get the geodes started. And then after that, we will make our Epsom salt solution that we will be soaking the eggshells in. So our last step for this experiment will probably require some adult supervision. You guys will need to boil 1 cup of water, and then to that water you will need to add a half a cup of the Epsom salt. And then after you add that, you will need to stir it until it is completely dissolved. And that's what you see in the bowl behind the eggs right there. And then in small containers, I actually was able to use the egg dyeing kit containers, which worked perfectly. You guys will need to put the eggs in and then completely submerge the eggshells with the solution that we made. And then really the only step after that is to give it a few days to form the crystals inside. So you guys would want to put this in a spot where it won't be disturbed, maybe in the kitchen somewhere. And then after 2 or 3 days, the crystals will be formed, and I will actually make an update video when that happens, just to show you guys. But until then, have a great day, and we will see you soon for more videos.